Hi kids, let's play with molds of Peppa Pig. The first mold is Georgie Pig. We have a lot of Play-Doh. Which one will you choose, Georgie Pig?
I'll choose the blue one.
Great! First, let's make a circle using the rolling pin. We need to do it very carefully. Where is our mold? Here it is. Remove the excess. Press down firmly. And take out the Play-Doh.
Wow!
And that's it. We have a blue Georgie Pig. Hi, Georgie Pig.
Hi, Ebro.
Will you play with me?
No, I want to play with my dinosaur.
Okay, here it is.
Yeah, we're going to play. Bye, Ebro.
Bye, Georgie Pig. The next mold is Mummy Pig. Which color do you want? Purple, orange. You pick it the right color. Let's make a circle. Where is my rolling pin? Here it is. I keep rolling and rolling. I think that's enough. Press down the mold. Put another mold on top and press down firmly. Remove the excess. And take out the Play-Doh. And that's it.
Wow.
We have an orange Mummy Pig. Hi, Mummy Pig.
Hi, Ebro.
I have a candy. Would you like some?
Yes, of course. I love candies.
Here you go.
Thank you, Ebro.
Wow, it's Peppa Pig mold. Which color do you want? Blue, orange, purple, pink. We choose the pink color. I can wait to make the shape of Peppa Pig. My rolling pin never gets tired of rolling. Just a little more. I think that's enough. And where's our mold? Here it is. Press down firmly. Now for the second part. Now remove the first mold and second one. Our Peppa Pig is ready. It's color pink. I love pink. Hello, Peppa Pig.
Hi, Ebro.
Do you want to give a bun to the puppies?
Yes, of course. Puppies, this is for you.
Goodbye, Peppa Pig.
Bye, Ebro.
And the last mold is Daddy Pig. What color should we choose? Purple, pink, turquoise. Great! Let's make a circle with the rolling pin. My rolling pin is helping me well today. We made a circle. Now press down the mold. Now the second part. And remove the excess. Now take out the Play-Doh. We have a turquoise Daddy Pig. Hi, Daddy Pig.
Hi, Ebro.
Which car will you choose? A school bus, police car, or ambulance?
I choose a police car.
I'll give it to you as a gift.
Thank you, Ebro.
Bye, Daddy Pig.
Goodbye, Ebro.
Welcome to Eyebrow Kitchen. Here is our first customer. He would like a burger. First, we need to make the bun. I have the recipe to make the burger's bun. We need flour, salt, milk, egg, and butter. First, let's add flour and salt. It's our first ingredients. What's next? Let's open the fridge. How about some milk? Let's add a little. Milk made from cows. Next, we need to add the egg. 1 egg is enough for us. Well done! Let's try to find next ingredients from fridge. Wow, I see the butter. It's here.
Let's put the butter in the cup. Butter is also made from milk. We added some butter. Now we need to mix all ingredients really well. Wow, we have dough to make burger buns.
It's turned out very well.
I have this burger press to make the buns. There are two halves, 1 and 2.
First, we need to divide into 2 pieces.
Let's put it on the board and let's split it in half. The dough is so soft and stretchy.
First bun is ready.
Now let's prepare the next bun. It looks so great.
Now we need to shape the buns. We need to press gently. And that's all. It looks so great. Now the next one. We press it gently. Well done. All we need to do is cook it in the microwave. We place the bun, close the door, and press the button. It only takes a minute. All cooked. Let's get the bun out. It's so fresh and softy.
Now we have our burger buns. Top and the bottom bun. And next we have to make the beef. First, let's make beef ground by a meat grinder. Let's turn it. And let's start.
Wow, fantastic! Beef ground is coming out. Done! Let's put the plate on the table.
I can wait to make the burger patty.
Now let's add some flavors from fridge. Let's open.
Yeah, I see the salt and pepper.
Let's get them out.
And close the fridge door. Let's add some salt and pepper. Not too much.
And let's mix the salt and pepper with the meat. This is so much fun. I'm almost done.
Next, we need to make to shape the beef patty. Try to make round. Then let's cut off the excess. Wow, our beef patty is almost ready. Now let's cook it over the fire. Well done, our beef patty is fully ready. Let's put it on the bun. And add some cheese. Great! Next we need lettuce. Let's cut some. Done! Let's put it on burger. What is our next ingredient? Yes, sure, it's a tomato. Let's put it on too. Next is cucumber. Kids, help me find it, please. Yeah, good job. Let's cut it. Done, great. This order is ready. Let's serve it to our customer. Burger costs 10 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready!